get to it. So should I fish in the creek? Or should I fish in the lakes? I'll fish the lakes first. I'm here. I just rode my bike pretty far, so I'm kind of tired. But we'll get through it together. Now, there's not a lot of fish that I've caught in these ponds. So if I don't catch a fish today, it's not my fault, it's the pond. Alright, well I guess I'm throwing a popper. Because that's what's on. Hey, I already caught something. Alright, let's get to it. You don't see anything? There you go. Well, that goes to say there's fish in here, but they don't want what I got. He just spit it out. That's not American. Y'all, and this is pretty early in the morning. I mean, it's not like early, but it's still pretty early. I'm kind of tired. I wasn't ready for that bite. Now let it slip away. Alright, I gotta tell something else on this thing is it's the wrong time of day for this. I'm gonna throw this just because I really want to catch a fish on it. So I'm gonna tie that on. Alright y'all, let's get back to fishing. Let's do it. Let's get to it. Oh yeah, and the thunder rolls. I don't even see my pole. There it is. Well y'all, that didn't last long. Oh yeah, there's something in there that's not letting go of it. So, I might have just lost this bait. Well, let's go tie something else on. This is going to be our bait of choice. Just because it makes a lot of noise, and I feel like if I get where I want to go, over, like way over there, I can probably get one. My lure's floating right there. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's floating right there. I can't even see it on the camera. Alright, we're on a mission to save my lure with the lure. Hopefully I won't get bit. Alright, we're almost there. No, why'd you go around it? What is wrong with you? Do what I want you to do and you'll be my favorite lure. Alright, I messed that cast up. Alright, here it is right here. Alright, now I just gotta get it. Come on. So I've gotten lures like poppers and stuff, but I'm gonna make this video a challenge because I know there's not a lot of fish in here. I fished here pretty much my whole life, but let's make this video a challenge video. Get my lure with a crankbait. I don't think I've ever done that before. He just swooped right on under him. I was waiting for like a giant 8-pound bass just come up and crush it. That'd be my luck. Hey, I caught a fish. That's what I'd say. You know what? I might just get in and get that. Even though there's gators in these waters, who gives a turd? Am I right? I don't know. It is pretty deep. These hooks don't look right. Oh, I just had a fish come up and bite. What the heck? It was like maybe a pound bass just came up and bit it. What? Like, what are the odds? It was too big for it to put in his mouth though. Alright, this is the one where I get it. I got a feeling. Oh wow, they touched, but it didn't. Look at that. Well, there you have it, folks. I don't even know what to say. Here, yep, there you have it. Today was actually going to be a micro challenge video. Like I was going to use my little Dock Demon with some really small baits. But guess what me and myself did? I forgot all that crap at the house. I forgot my pole, my baits, everything. I even had it ready. My brother's here. He just arrived. It was a little truck that, well, it's actually a pretty nice truck. I gave him directions and that's all he wanted. He didn't even say hey. And there's a weird random kid in there. Well, he's probably not weird, but he was pretty random, so we're just gonna call him Random Kid. He might even be older than me. Who knows? Let's catch some fish. I just got bit. See if I can make it happen again. Y'all ever have those like really tough days of fishing where you've been on, like in the same spot? Just trying to catch a fish and it's been like, I don't know, 3 hours and then you don't catch anything, so you just like sit down and start fishing. Yeah, me neither. Oh snap. Oh gosh. That's PB, probably. No, I don't know. Oh, hang on. I gotta. No! I don't really know what I was doing with the camera right there. I kept turning it off. I mean, clearly, y'all would want to see if I caught a fish. I'm stupid. I give up fishing. Yeah, if y'all didn't catch what just happened, underneath that tree right there, that tree, I caught a fish. I was bringing it up, and it got caught in the grass. And then it got me tangled. And then as soon as I got it, I let it come untangle itself. But as soon as I was getting it up, it shot like it let go. It's probably a 4 or a 5. I've never seen a fish that big at where I'm at. Dang, bro. Y'all, I'm gonna go back to the camper for a little bit and chill out. I might come back. I will come back out and continue this video later. Alright, so what I'm doing is I'm fishing for bluegill. So I can use those for bait for bass. I'm gonna try to use live bait or catfish or whatever. I'm using bread for bait. And swiper, swipe my bait. What you do, you just ball up some bread, stick on your hook. Oh, I'm getting hit by an ant. Oh, it's on my little toe too. Just stick it on here. Looks tasty. Let's see if I can. Looks tasty. Okay. I've already got one in a bucket. I've got one bluegill in a bucket, and I've yet to catch a bass. I'm picking up where I left off earlier. I didn't really do much fishing. I kind of just went floating down the creek, so that was pretty fun. Had to do that with my family and some of their friends. Although I don't have any friends that like me, so nobody came with me, but it's good though. Alright. This is the one. Do y'all ever just sweat so much it gets all over your sunglasses and then they just look gross? This happens to me like all the time. I was doing the fly technique earlier. It was actually pretty cool, like for fly fishing. I was actually using my bait caster. If y'all have ever done that, I want to know. What I did was I got on a piece of, what was I using? I think I was using a worm. And I just like, I'd bring it out and I just do it, how to use a fly. I did the same concept as a fly rod, but I was using a bait caster. So that was pretty fun. How do y'all like my Zebco slingshot? That's not even mine, I don't even know who it is. I just grabbed it and I was like, hey, that'd be a good bluegill pole for bluegill. Now that is a grass fish. I'm in the process of editing this video, and I apologize, but it's like all over the place. And ignore my hair. I don't know what it's doing, but today we went tubing. Yesterday we went tubing. Yesterday I went fishing. Today I went fishing. It's been a good weekend, y'all. But I'm just gonna end this video right here. And y'all know what's happening. I'm gonna hit y'all with that